Good morning students. Welcome to Konnor's online classes. In the yesterday's class we have seen the applications of computers. So that is computer is not a limited edition. Okay. So we can't give the only and limited applications of that one. So it was very vast and improved like anything, and nowadays it is moving towards nanotechnology, smaller parts. And the last bit in this chapter is that is the mode of working, the area of usage and specification of hardware and software. Just think, I'm going to give one example. So if you want to purchase one mobile, then what you are going to do? You are going to visit the shop, the showroom of the mobile. That may be a 70, 50, 80 mobile showrooms, or Apple, whatever. Otherwise Redmi, Realme, MI series, whatever, Vivo, Oppo, Moto. If you are having showrooms nearby you, you are going to visit. If you don't have showrooms nearby you, then what you are doing? You are going to search in the internet. There you are going to study on phone. What will be the phone? How it should be? Like that you are going to study some little bits. That will be a RAM. That will be the basic needs of that phone. RAM, ROM, internal memory, the capacity of the camera, zooming capacity, maximum size of that mobile, the screen, regarding screen, that is a curved edge or normal edge, what is the size of that mobile, everything, the speakers, the headphones, the softwares, the processor, each and every part you are going to study little bit. And you will get some basic information, and in detail if you go, you will get the depth knowledge. The specification in the internet, if you go for Flipkarts, Amazon, then you will know the specifications of that mobile, 3G, 4G, 5G. Nowadays they are implemented with the technology 5G. Okay, all they are moving towards 5G technology. So like that you are going to study. From all these you are going to have the knowledge that my mobile should be having an internal memory of 256 GB, and it must be a RAM of 10 or 12 GB RAM. Like that you are going to make some assumptions. You are going to make some lineouts for your mobile. And after that, the price is also matters, and you are going to think and you are going to fix a price. So up to 50,000, up to 1 lakh, I want to purchase a mobile. I am with these features that you are going to finalize. The computer is also like that only. Depending on the mode of usage, depending on the area of usage, the configuration of the computer was made. They are going to build. Okay. For our home purpose, we can't buy supercomputer. We can't buy a mainframe computer. For home purpose, a desktop, a laptop, a palm top, a notebook, a mobile. That is sufficient. And the mode of application, if it is increased with the school and colleges, there may be some little bit changes in the hardware. Not more than that one. The home and offices, schools and colleges, the government offices will be little bit same. Okay. If they go beyond this one, then they will see the different configurations which are working for that environment. So depending on that only, some they have made the mode of work, the area of work, and hardware and software specification they have done. Areas are home, small office, home office, enterprise, schools and colleges, hospitals, traffic network. You may ask, sir, only area of computer application only this much, you may ask. That is not this much. That is elaborated like anything. But they have made some few things. They have mentioned, they have listed only few things, not all. Okay. So depending in homes, what type of computer we are using? We are using a desktop model, a notebook model, a laptop. Okay. What will be the hardware of that one? 4 GB RAM, 500 GB or 1 TB hard disk. It is more than sufficient. 1 TB hard disk, 4 GB RAM, Windows 10 operating system. That is for the hardware of the computer. If we require a printer in the home, then we'll have a printer. Otherwise, no need. This is all regarding home. And software, business software, the software like Microsoft Office Suite. In that one, Microsoft Word is there for a processing purpose. Photo editor, Photoshop, CS1, CS2, CS3 softwares, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe softwares. Those are all CAM scanners we are using. Still many more are there. Those softwares we are going to use for a presentation, application, spreadsheets, like that. Okay, for business purpose. And second one, small office or home office. Same small office or home office, we use desktop or notebook, network model. Okay, here also if required printer is there and the software for photo editing, for image editing, for video editing, depending on our requirements, we all do that things on the computer. They are here for all things is for business purpose only. The softwares what they are going to use. Hardwares, okay, for enterprise. So little bit more work than the home and small offices. There, enterprise means maybe 500, thousands together may be employees there. In such cases, they are going to use server or mainframe desktop. So you might have seen, so just visit any nationalized bank or any bank or cooperative society which is near to you, and just see in that bank office itself they have made one server room, or otherwise you may see one cabinet on the top of the floor, not on top of that floor itself. Okay, just like a cabinet, they are having some one key for locking purpose. In that you are going to see the lights are blinking. What is that? That is for a network purpose. The data transactions, the amount transactions, everything will be recorded over there. Through their server, they are going to save the data through main server. So in banks, they have made one server. Like that, the systems that they have made and utilized. Server, mainframe, desktop, there they are going to use. That is also for business purpose. Schools and colleges, desktop. In schools and colleges also for ID makers, for ID making, for mark sheet, for attendance sheet, for your results, for your ledger, for your all the details that we require to store the things we are using. And that is also for business purpose. Printer is necessary, printer is used for hospitals. So as and that of we have discussed for regarding patients details, patients visits, patients treatments, patients history. Okay, for that purpose, there also desktop or network, notebook, laptop models will be used. Printer is required, printer will be used, and that is also for business purpose, for a traffic purpose, online transaction, for seeing the online videos of the traffics. Okay, they are using live shootings. Okay, they are also printer. If printer required, they are going to use the printers. That is also for business purpose. Like that, the computer application is vast and various. So we can't put that itself into a single hand or into some hand, and by saying only this much of examples we can say or we can conclude this is the application of computer. That is not possible. The application of that, the area of that, the mode of that is very vast. Only taking few examples, only making list of few we can conclude. So this is all regarding the overview of computer. So this completes your first chapter. In the next class, we'll discuss the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye. And one more thing, keep in mind that I will announce a test on this one. So be prepared. Start preparing yourself within a few days. So I am going to take test on this one. So start preparing yourself. Yes. Thank you. All the best.